People are currently flocking to the idea of total self-reliance. It feels good to have a backup plan sitting in your pantry. This is exactly why the Garden's Pulse Heirloom Seed Vault Kit is catching so much attention lately. The pitch is almost impossible to ignore. You get a massive collection of 35 different vegetable varieties. We are talking about over 16,000 seeds in one single container. That number sounds huge. It makes you feel like you could feed an entire neighborhood. The company uses some very clever marketing angles to pull you in. They mention the year 1943. They talk about a time when people grew their own food out of necessity. It evokes a sense of heritage and strength. They use labels like heirloom and open-pollinated. They make sure to mention non-hybrid and non-GMO status. These are all great features. But we need to peel back the layers of this package. We need to talk about what those words actually mean for your garden. An heirloom seed is simply a variety that has been around for decades. It is a plant that has a history. Open-pollinated means the plant can be fertilized by natural means like bees or the wind. This is the key to the long-term claim. It means you can save the seeds from your harvest this year. Then you can plant them again next year. That sounds like a closed-loop system for food. It is a beautiful concept. However, there is a massive gap between buying a box of seeds and actually eating a salad. The marketing makes it seem like a total guarantee. It feels like a sure thing. In reality, gardening is a game of chance. It is a game of skill. A seed does not care about a marketing slogan. It cares about soil quality. It cares about the exact temperature of the earth. It cares about how much rain falls in July. These kits are often marketed as a universal solution. But a tomato that thrives in the humidity of the South might wither in the dry heat of a desert. You have to ask yourself if these 35 varieties are actually right for your specific backyard. You need to look at the list of what is included. Are these vegetables you even like? There's no point in having thousands of seeds for a plant you will never eat. You also have to consider the age of the seeds. Seeds are living things. They have a shelf life. If a kit sits in a hot warehouse for 2 years, the germination rate will drop. That means those 16,000 seeds might only produce a handful of plants. You need to check the origin of the seeds before you buy. You need to look for specific storage instructions. A plastic vault is only as good as the environment it is kept in. True food independence is not something you can just buy in a box. It is a skill you develop over many seasons. This product might be a great way to jumpstart a diverse garden. It could be a fun way to experiment with different types of produce. But you should not view it as a foolproof survival insurance policy. The reality of the dirt is always more complicated than the promise on the website. Take the time to learn your local growing zone. Check your frost dates. Research the specific needs of each variety in the kit. Don't let the nostalgia of the 1940s blind you to the work required today. If you go in with realistic expectations, you might find some real value here. If you expect a miracle in a bucket, you might be disappointed. Gardening is a long game. It requires patience and a willingness to fail. A box of seeds is just the beginning of the story. You are the one who has to write the rest of it. Be a smart consumer. Read the fine print. Make sure you are buying seeds that will actually grow where you live. That is the only way to turn a marketing promise into a real harvest. Your garden depends on your knowledge, not just a container. Understand your soil before you scatter a single seed. That is how you build a secure food supply. Success is grown, not bought.